education. I don't really have an explanation. So I found a new game to play. Thought I told you to stay away, but I see you're here anyway. So yeah, guess you're welcome to overstay. Just don't build up your expectations. It's not a good time to test my patience. And don't get in these situations, 'cause you're chasing a hurricane, taking my name in vain. My God, it's such a shame, 'cause you got yourself into this. It says enter at your own risk. Now your name is on my list, and you are exactly where I want. So I probably lost my mind. Well, you're welcome to try and find. But dear, don't you be surprised if I'm not here when you look behind. Guess I have my own destination, and you're staring at the wrong direction. I'm not looking for your confirmation, 'cause you're chasing a hurricane, taking my name in vain. My God, it's such a shame, 'cause you got yourself into this. It says enter at your own risk. Now your name is on my list, and you say you're not gonna take part in this mind play. Well, that's just the kind of price that you gotta pay. Said you have to go, but now you kinda wanna stay. Kinda wanna stay, 'cause you're chasing the hurricane, taking my name in vain. My God, it's such a shame. It's such a shame, 'cause you got yourself into this. It says enter at your own risk. Now your name is on my list, and
baby, it ain't always easy. Oh, you know, sometimes it's just downright hard. And lately, you've been feeling dizzy, spinning all around, trying to find my heart. And maybe you've been feeling like quitting. Raise your head and look at how far we've come. It's crazy, all the wars we're fighting, and all of the battles we face in love. Don't give up on me just yet. This may seem as bad as it gets. All these rough nights and late hours, but if that ain't no rain, ain't gonna be no flowers. Honey, don't you go with throwing out all of these years that we've sown in love. Oh, it's funny how we go and running as soon as all the lightning gets close enough. Don't give up on me just yet. This may seem as bad as it gets. All these rough nights and late hours, but if that ain't no rain, ain't gonna be now. Don't give up on me just yet. This may seem as bad as it gets. All these rough nights and late hours, but if that ain't no rain, ain't gonna be no flowers. No, no. I said if there ain't no rain, I said if there ain't no rain, I said if there ain't no rain, ain't gonna be no flowers. Oh, I wanna see the fields that we planted, all the colors reaching out to the horizon. But we gotta make it to the end, and we can make it, oh baby, we can make it grow, grow. Don't give up on me just yet. This may seem as bad as it gets. All these rough nights and late hours, but if that
future sound. It's time to let go. We're not going home. This feeling I can't live without. So shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. This is our party, and this is where the beat goes down. Feel the music on the stereo. Oh, oh. As we let the rhythm take control.